All right, welcome back to my channel. So this hour, we are going to carry out a random, reaction based on the activities of the insecurity, the activities of bandit and terrorist insecurity going on in entire Nigeria. A few days ago, it was reported that bandits reportedly killed several worshippers during morning prayers in Castina community. This news is not something that many people know about, but because of the current event of what happened yesterday in Kwara State, where new terrorist groups strike, we are going to go through some of the posts, some of the reactions, some of the updates from different angles. As you can see here, this one happened on October 30th. All right, today is 31st. And bandits reportedly killed several worshippers during morning prayers in Castina community, as you can see here. So this from Sarah Reporter. Please do me a favor, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. We are here to give you the update for you to understand the danger awaiting any man, anybody, any woman, children, name it, in Nigeria. Because most people think that when you talk about insecurity, is about you are saying that because you hate Nigeria. No, it's not about hating anybody. We don't hate anybody. I don't hate anybody. I'm just, open to everything, to understand and to help people to see what is going on. How repentant, this is another news from Sahara, of course, exclusive. How repentant Boko Haram members leak Nigerian army movement armory to terrorist soldiers revealed. Now, in case if you don't understand, this is not a news. There is a news. You can see the date is on 29th of October. But the truth is that this is not something that you will hear and say, wow, are you surprised? It was reported that the tactics of Boko Haram is this. Once they've lacked intel about what Nigerian army is planning or what they're doing, any area they don't have intelligent information about what Nigerian army are doing, they will willingly release some of their fighters as a repentant Boko Haram to join Nigerian army. And the Nigerian army will open door for them, and they will join. Once they join, those areas that they are not getting information, they will send their members there to gather information, because Nigerian army, of course, opening door for them, will leak all the intels, all the movement, all the plans to the Boko Haram. Of course, they will eventually use it against Nigerian army. The question is, how is it possible that Nigerian army can fall so cheap, allowing themselves to be used like that? It goes to show that their problem started from the top. Those that people see as the leader are the one behind all these things. It's not something ordinary. It's not ordinary something. But people may not pick that that side. They may see it as as a mere talk. They may not take it seriously. But truth is that it happened, and that is what is going on. And here you can see this news. A soldier allegedly caught on his way to deliver weapon to terrorists. A soldier being caught on his way to deliver weapon to terrorists. The question is, what kind of soldier is that? And what is the soldier? How is he? How did they recruit the soldier? If you trace it, you find out that the soldier could be one of the repented Boko Haram. Like always, I always tell you that these guys know what they're doing. Now, let's hear from English Alhaji. Let's watch.
If I slap you, you are very stupid. Delete it. Connect and delete it. Are you deleting it? Nigerians, show now hear that. They say don't post it, delete it. Don't post it, delete it, delete it. But you know the story when it comes to my ankle. I know they once they cover up, I open up. If they cover, I open. If they try to cover, I open. You don't understand how I did here, so I got you covered. So now, this particular video that they watch, so this video here, because I will later allow her to watch it, they're not going to talk. This video now, the driver are from Maiduguri come out from. You don't understand? So now serving personnel of the Nigerian army, a soldier the soldier, and pack this weapon so, and gather this weapon, this cartridge, this bullets, load that for back, give this driver to deliver. Now what you see, now soldier gather this cartridges and gather this bullets so load that for back, load down for back, put them inside this weapon. Like where be tell this driver to deliver, and the driver don't even know what he carry. According to him, he said no, he don't know. You understand? So make I agree with him. I'm saying no. But
there's a moment.
Story they be now. When it comes to insecurity or anything that has to do with security, bro, you cannot trust them 100%. But he's saying no, live like that. So now as a go, they go meet checkpoints. You don't understand? So this soldiers called interception. Come carry out their normal stop and search. Can come discover these cartridges. Like just imagine with your hand say this bullet arrive the destination where they send them go. Just imagine now with your head. That is more problem on top of problem. Just imagine say this bullet arrive where they send and go. Now more problem on top of problem. So now do this now. So make I allow now watch it. See what you see, I can never finish.
Get the facility now.
What?
Har yanzu bai tsira ba wancan ne ma da ko an je za a kira shi ba da mun gaba ne kai daga lambar su da lambar mai karba ba shi ma za a kira ka ba shi kuma still a ba ne da muke to da muke yanzu
Kai naka sako ne.
sai ba su da ne da bude
Kada da hada shi
yana da wayo
ko abun da kace sai wannan abin
da ka daga ga wannan ga
kaga ni was ne wannan kaga ni was
insurgency can never be. Bayan da za a yi. Ibrahim, ya insurgency ya kare. Ka duba ka gani. Wani suka ba shi wani sauce ne ba shi minista.
gani da yawa ba gani da waya
kuma ya mu
Na isa inda jibi.
da sojan nan da ya kawo
ba shi ci na
mai bakon nan to duka ba da ya kuɗe shiga ciki a gashi na an buɗe yanzu haka ana kwasu yin abu duka guda duka ba
If I slap you, you are very stupid. I delete it. Connect and delete it.
a yi dilitin gaskiya
Before they post me,
ba a kira shi ba
Okay, remember that the people that is in charge of Nigeria are northerners. Imagine when the people that are in charge of Nigerian as a country are the one funding and training terrorists. The Nigerians have not less than 7 or 10 terrorists. I lost count. Yesterday, they are the new one just launched attack, and that's the essence of this video, because that new one has been linked to Al-Qaeda of all people. Al-Qaeda of all people. Anyway, as I'm recording the video, the breaking news has it that America has designated Nigeria as a country of concern, and that is a very good news that some northerners are reacting on that, because after this we're going live, to talk about it any moment from now. But I just want you to capture the trading event so that you're not going to miss out on anything at all. So let's quickly move to another information concerning the insecurity and what is going on in Nigeria. All right. And I am going to make sure that I bring to you everything the way it is. I don't want to miss anything at all. So let us go straight to the program, the one that concerns us, especially on this program. All right, as you can see on your screen, this is from another reporter. Al-Qaeda linked terrorist group claimed first attack in Nigeria, says army personnel killed. Says army personnel killed. This is, see this word, Al-Qaeda. You see this Al-Qaeda. Many of you, if you know about terrorism, not that you are practicing it or you are part of it, I mean, if you know about what is called 9/11, World Trade Center in US, that was put down by this same group. Have you heard about this? Have you heard this name called Osama bin Laden? If you know, you know. Al-Qaeda linked terrorist group claimed first attack in Nigeria, says army personnel killed. So this is the first move. And is it a coincidence that after showing attacking this and sending this attack, today we are now hearing breaking news about the American government taking action on Nigeria? And as you know, the video that we just played, where Nigerian army was caught carrying some, sending some bullets and other weapons to unknown destination, allegedly to terrorists. And they were being caught on the way because Nigerian army is mixed up, Christians and Muslims, and Christians are being, targeted. Those who are serving in the army are the one leaking information about the movement of the Christians in the army, sending them to where they will not make it, alive, and leaking information to their group, their brothers in terrorists, as a terrorist. Those things is what people. One of the reasons why people says, don't join army for now, because your life is not guaranteed. Anything is possible. And I would like to go through this particular news about this Al-Qaeda in details a little bit. We may not go through everything, but let us just kind of expatiate on that using Al Jazeera, because most of the mainstream media from different parts of the world, CNN, Al Jazeera, BBC, name it, all of them are reporting this thing in their headline news. But in local newspapers and local mainstream media in Nigeria, some of them are hiding from reporting this. And this attack took place in Yoruba land called Qa'eda State. A lot is yet to come in Nigeria, to be honest with you. It's very, very scary and very, very dangerous. All right, so what you are seeing here is from Al Jazeera, their own reportage about this particular news. Because once you hear Al-Qaeda, of course, it will awaken your subconsciousness to know what is all about them. And as a first time they carried out terrorist attack in Nigeria, in the midst of all that terrorism going on in Nigeria, then you now have foreign terrorists. Northern Nigerians are the one major problem. That is why, as a Christian, as a Southerner, as a Southeast person, and you still believing that one day it will be okay and be all right, you must be a joker. It is time for you to start to pay attention to countries where Al-Qaeda have carried that attack and how the whole thing ended. It is not something any human being should be, should take a kind of for granted. America worked hard under Obama, and they tried everything they could to stop Al-Qaeda. They managed to stop Al-Qaeda only in American soil. If you check about a country called Yemen and many other countries, it's not easy, let alone a country that is free gift for them, a country that actually hungry, looking for a way to sponsor terrorism. Imagine what they would do in Nigeria. Just imagine that. Al-Qaeda linked JNIM says one killed in its first attack in Nigeria. In its first Nigerian attack, soldier reportedly killed in first known attack in Nigeria by Jamatul Nusrat al-Islam, were Muslim. an armed group active in Mali and Burkina Faso. You get the point now. Mali and Burkina Faso, they have stretched their hands to Nigeria because Burkina Faso seems to be no go area to them. So, of course, Nigeria is a safe haven for terrorism. This is what it means. An Al-Qaeda linked armed group active in the Sahel has claimed responsibility for an attack that killed a soldier in central Nigeria this week. Its first known attack in the country. In a video posted on Telegram channel lled on Thursday, JNIM, whatever that is, JN, what's the name again? These people, this Islamic name, I don't know how to pronounce it, sorry. JNIM, all right? This Jama'atu Nusara Islam wa Muslim or whatever. So you can see it here, please. Said it launched the attack in Nigerian Kwara State in the early hour of Wednesday. Kwara State is the state that even Yorubas, like a few days ago, 2 days ago, I was talking with a Yoruba person, and he called into our program and he admitted that there's nothing Yorubas could do, there's nothing they can do at all to rescue Kwara State. That is over, it is over. Imagine if an Igbo man is the one. I'm just saying. Attack in Nigerian Kwara State in the early hour of Wednesday killed a soldier and seized ammunitions and cash. Okay, this is the first one. Of course, once the strike there is over. A Nigerian military source confirmed to the Reuters news agents that JNIM had attacked soldiers on patrol, killed one soldier, but the army did not respond to an official request for comment. But army did not. What does that tell you? Go and check the person that that army on patrol they attacked is either they're Christian or they are not a real Muslim, because they believe there's real Muslim and there's non-real Muslim. So JNIM is one of the several armed groups operating in West Africa and the Sahel. It previously said its aim is to establish Islamic Caliphate while expel Western-influenced government. Formed in 2017, the group operation initially started in Mali before they spread to Burkina Faso and part of Niger. JNIM has also launched attack in the northernmost region of Ghana. Okay, in northernmost region of Ghana, Ivory Coast, Benin, and Togo. This is Fulani spreading wings in West Africa. It's not funny, and most of our people are still sleeping over this, as if this is just a mere talk, like it's just a fabricated story. You are seeing it taking place different parts, and you don't take it serious. Anyway, tell me what you think about this. I just want to bring this to you because a lot is going on. Make sure you like the video and tell me what you think about it. What's your take? If you're a Christian, what will you do? If you're Muslim, are you happy? Let me know your take on this. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye-bye for now.